Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Partially peel back the conductive tape until the memory shield is fully uncovered. Separate the memory shield from the retention clips on the system board. Push both arms outward simultaneously to release the memory module to the spring tension position. Grasp the memory module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. The second memory module, if installed, is removed in the same way. Replacement. Align the notch in the memory module with the key in the memory module slot. At a 30-degree angle, insert the memory module into its slot on the system board. Press down on the memory module until the arms snap into place. The second memory module is replaced in the same way. Place the memory shield into its retention clips on the system board and press down along the edges to secure the memory shield to the system board. Place the conductive tape back on the memory shield.